Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the screen type and projector position so you know what movement is required. Once done, measure throw distance and set aspect ratio to match the screen. This avoids keystone distortion later. Mount or place the projector at the planned height, then plug HDMI and power. Test a simple image to verify signal. Make sure the room lighting is controllable because ambient light changes perceived contrast. Adjust curtains or lights now to save time later. Now refine alignment by projecting a grid or test pattern. You want edges parallel to the screen. Then adjust zoom and focus, correcting keystone only when necessary because heavy keystone hurts resolution. Once geometry looks right, lock the mount to prevent drift and run color bars to set color temperature, brightness, and contrast. This ensures accurate skin tones and blacks. Make sure to walk the room to view angles. This reveals hot spots or washout that a single seat test can miss. Finish by securing cables and confirming audio sync so nothing shifts during use. Play a full-screen video to evaluate motion and compression artifacts. Adjust settings if you see banding or judder. Make sure the remote and any control systems respond reliably and label inputs for future users. If something goes wrong, check physical connections first, then power cycle projector and source, if the image is still off. Try an alternate HDMI cable or input. This isolates signal versus device faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.